Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Chai Sutta Bar rolls out its hashtag Tea for Positivity campaign on International Tea Day. The iconic Borosil vision glasses are versatile for any occasion. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals receives ANDA approval for icatibant injection. Prosecto launches India's first fully automatic hybrid tractor with no battery packs. Alt Balaji launches 4 new engaging episodes in Hai Toba Chapter 2. Chai Sutta Bar, a chain of chai bar that serves authentic Kullar chai across the country, announced the launch of its hashtag Tea for Positivity campaign on the occasion of International Tea Day. With the launch of this campaign, the brand aims to reach out to masses dealing with all the negativity spread across during this pandemic phase and spread positivity with tea. Commenting on the occasion, Mr. Anubhav Dubey, co-founder of Chai Sutta Bar India, said, "With the hashtag Tea for Positivity campaign, we aim to bring this positivity in each one of your lives and corner the negativity around you. Tea for Positivity campaign will be executed in 3 phases by the brand. And to kickstart the campaign, the brand will start roll out the initiative on its digital platforms, with the director themselves spreading the ray of hope and idea of positivity." Next up is Borosil is India's first microwavable glass maker. This summer, you can rely on your favorite homegrown Indian brand and their iconic vision glasses for all your daily needs and occasions. You can heat, freeze, or bake your favorite beverages, smoothies, and desserts with this 100% borosilicated glasses that come in intricate designs and capabilities. With these 100% borosilicate glasses that comes in integrated designs and capacity. The vision glasses are the preferred choice of Indian Army in Siachen because they can withstand the heat of hot piping tea and coffee without cracking. Next up is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has received final approval by the United States Food and Drug Administration, that is US FDA, for icatibant injection 30 mg per 3 ml single dose prefilled syringe. The generic version of Firazyr injection 30 mg per 3 ml single dose prefilled syringe of Shai Human Genetic Therapies Inc. This marks Glenmark's first synthetic decaptide injectable approval and will be manufactured in their North American manufacturing facility based in Montreal. Next up is Prosecto launches India's first fully automatic hybrid tractor with no battery packs. With over 24 industry first features to call itself the most innovative tractor of India. HAV tractors, which were first showcased in the world's largest Agritechnica event in Germany in November 2019, is already making noise in the Indian market for being the first made in India hybrid tractor with no battery packs. After receiving accolades from across the globe for its advanced eco-friendly technology, HAV S1 series is finally ready to greet the Indian farmers. Next up is Alt Balaji's creative then released yet another scintillating and entertaining drama that, just like its title, made everyone go Hai Toba. The show, an anthology, was released with not much fanfare. Despite the low buzz around its release, it's become one of the most trending shows on the streaming platform. This time, the show will tackle unspoken topics like imperfect love to imperfect marriages. Alt Balaji's Hai Toba is a compilation of 4 mature adult stories representing emotions symbolized by a distinct color of love. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.